Is this thing on? Good morning! I got my coffee here from Emma Chamberlain. I am recording a video today to do a makeup tutorial. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on and I look really nasty, so bear with me until we do this. I've never done a makeup tutorial before and I'm terrible at makeup, so yeah. And I'm gonna show you how I do my everyday makeup because this just ain't it. First, we're gonna throw the mane in a messy bun to get it out of my face. And I got my handy dandy makeup bag right here. This is what I put all my makeup in. Got this from Forever 21 like 5 or 6 years ago. I'm gonna start off with my foundation and I use the I can't talk today. Oh my gosh, there's a bee! Anyway, I got my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer in one. It looks like this. It's about $30 from Ulta. I am in the shade Ivory. Fits me pretty good. I don't have a mirror or anything and I'm looking at the camera to do my makeup. Oh, it just dripped on my hand. Ew. Little wand thing. We're gonna put it on my cheeks. This is so bad. I love that. Just putting that everywhere. Done with that. And then I'm gonna take my handy dandy makeup sponge. And I'm gonna just pat this in. No, again, I have no idea if this is gonna be blended or not because I'm literally looking at the camera and no mirror. But let's see how this turns out. Don't forget to blend your neck. Oh, I forgot my forehead. From how my face is feeling, I think it's all blended in. I don't know. We're gonna say that it is. And my next step is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Because it's great. Everybody talks about it, so I bought it and I'm trying it. It was like 27 bucks for this tiny little thing. Okay, I don't know what shade I'm in. I'm in shade Light Beige 22B. In case you think that we're the same shade. So take the little wand. And I don't use much of this. My skin looks so gross up close. I'm just gonna do one dot here and one dot here because I only really use concealer for my like under eye bags because your girl never sleeps. No, I'm just kidding. I sleep all the time. But like I fuel myself with caffeine and carbs, so the energy dies off. Yeah, so I'm just blending this underneath my eyelid. I really don't know if that did anything, but we're gonna go with it. Alright, next I'm gonna do blush because I want some blush. It's super duper old and nasty, but I still use it. It's from Avon. I think my grandma ordered it when she was like an Avon lady or whatever, and she just gave it to me. You know, I would tell you what kind it is, but this is the back label of it, and I can't read that, so I don't know, we're just gonna have to guess. But it looks like this. I completely lost the brush that goes with it, so I'm gonna use my big fluffy brush that I don't remember where I got this from because I got it for my birthday. It was like a whole makeup brush set, but it's really nice. The stick is like bamboo. But so I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just do this. This is literally what I do. And then I take just a teeny bit and I put it on my nose for the illusion that I have like a summer burn. I don't know. Next, we're gonna go in. I have the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. This is the mini one, so I put it in my little makeup bag and take it everywhere I go. It was about, I don't remember how much this was. I want to say like 17 for the small one, so it's kind of expensive, but I bought it anyway. And I just put it like right here and on the inside of my nose and then on like the corners of my forehead. Does that make sense? Okay, hopefully it does. Then I take my brush and I blend out the stuff on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my forehead. Again, I don't know if that did anything, but we're going with it. Next, I have the same kind of little box, but this is the Dandelion Twinkle by Benefit. It's a little highlighter. This isn't my favorite highlighter in the world just because it's not a lot, if that makes sense. Like, I would prefer something that somebody can like see from like a mile away if I'm gonna wear highlighter. But this one's very light. I just put it on my nose. I don't know what that's called. Your bridge of your nose and then like the tip. And then I'll put it on the top of my cheekbones. And then sometimes I'll put it like at the top of my eyebrows, because I have 2. Next, eyelash curler. I'm gonna get real up close and personal, and you're gonna see my disgusting skin. I don't know if that did anything either, but we're going with it. So normally on a daily basis, I use, it's the brand Ascent Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It looks like this. It's literally $5 from Ulta. It's amazing. But today I'm not going to use this because I'm going to be using this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I got this in like a little package that was from Pretty Basic Official, which is a podcast that I listen to. The hosts are Alisha and Miss Remi Ashten. They are my 2 literal idols. Like, I want to be them so badly. I watch their YouTube videos like religiously. I listen to every single episode of their Pretty Basic podcast. I'm just obsessed with them. So when they came out with this palette that's also by Tarte, it's called Pretty Basic Tarte. They collaborated with Tarte and they came out with this little makeup package, and I just had to buy it. I went to one Ulta and I went to Omaha last weekend, and the Ulta there, they were all sold out, and I was like so bummed. So then I went over to Council Bluffs, Iowa, and looked at that Ulta, and they had it. So I was like, yo, I'm buying it. So I got it, and I can't be happier, and I'm so excited. So today I'm gonna try that. Oh, it's so cute. It's like super small. I'm gonna get really up close. I'm literally just winging this. Okay, I need somebody to tell me a hack on how to not get mascara on your top eyelid. I am horrible at that. Every single time I do mascara, I get it all over the top lid, and then I take like a Q-tip and I lick it and then I rub it off. This is so bad.
5 hours later.
Let's just say we tried our best. I like it a lot. I like how it goes on. And then next, I'm gonna use the Pretty Basic by Tarte. I don't even know what this is. Vegan lip oil. So I'm gonna use the lip oil. Oh, it's so cute. It smells good. What the heck? Like really good. Like, I don't even know. Some kind of candy. Got the lip gloss on. I'm gonna try out some eyeshadow. I never ever wear eyeshadow, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, got the palette. It's so gorgeous. Oh, you can see Azalea. Where'd she go? Hey! Hey! I love the names of the eyeshadow. But I'm gonna go in with the shade Perf. It's this one right here. I'm gonna try this one. And I'm just gonna put it on like the crease of my eyelid. We'll see how this goes. And I'm gonna go in with, it's called Boy Drama. And I'm just gonna put that like all over the rest of my lid. It's a nice shimmery color. I'm gonna go in with the pretty. I'm just gonna do some more highlight. Whoa, that is like, wow, that's pretty. I like that a lot. See how this one's like boom, and like the other dandelion one was like meh. But and now to put my hair down. It's kind of gross. I should brush it out. But that is my completed makeup look. It's super basic, but more of an everyday look. But we're done, and that was it. Thanks for watching. Ew, I have a holes in my socks. Yes. That's attractive. Yeah. But thank you for watching. Pose for the thumbnail. Alright.